Meta has released Code Llama, a large language model built on top of Llama 2 that specializes in generating and debugging code. It has also released a Python-specific version and another version that can understand instructions in natural language. These models are not interchangeable. Meta claims that Code Llama performs better than other publicly available LLMs on coding tasks, but it did not specifically name which models were tested. This article tells the story of how a former engineer at Alameda Research met Sam Bankman-Fried and provides a few anecdotes from their time working at the firm. Researchers at North Carolina State University have enlisted the help of robots to help search for the ideal perovskite. Perovskites are a type of material with a rhombus in a cube crystal structure that can be used to create highly efficient solar cells. There are a vast number of possible perovskite materials. Predicting and testing the potential properties of all these materials is time-consuming and difficult. The robot combines chemicals in different proportions to form perovskites and then applies them onto a surface for testing. It speeds up the synthesis and characterization of materials by a factor of 14 compared to manual exploration. Pixi is a cross-platform multi-language package manager and workflow tool. It supports Python, C++, and R on Linux, Windows, and macOS. Pixi provides a cargo-like command line interface that allows developers to install tools per project or system-wide. A short video demo is available. Expresso TS is a TypeScript and Node.js framework for building scalable, easy-to-read and maintain server-side applications. It streamlines repetitive and time-consuming processes so that developers can focus on the important things. Expresso TS handles configuring logging systems, authentication, connecting to databases, and more. Tor's proof of work. POW, Defense for Onion Services, is designed to prioritize verified traffic as a deterrent against denial of service, DOS, attacks. Tor Onion services are vulnerable to DOS attacks as Tor obfuscates IP addresses. POW Defense will start prompting incoming client connections to perform a number of successfully more complex operations when an Onion service is under stress. The Onion service will then prioritize connections based on the effort level demonstrated by the client. This will thwart DOS attacks without compromising user privacy. Zoom is requiring employees living within 50 miles of an office to report to the office a minimum of 2 days a week. The company's CEO, Eric Yuan, says that it's difficult for employees to build trust with each other on a computer screen. He claims that it's too difficult to have innovative conversations and debates on Zoom as it makes people too friendly. His comments point towards the company's belief in the ability of its platform. The partnership with Wing will allow Walmart to deliver to an additional 60,000 homes in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. A hacker news thread with links to high-quality code libraries and discussions on what makes code good. Flannery Associates and its parent company, Flannery Holdings, have purchased approximately 140 properties for more than $800 million in Solano Country at premium rates since 2018. Mythic Computer is a company that makes handmade wooden computers that look nothing like your average computer. Email apnea, which, according to an informal survey, happens to roughly 80% of people, is a phenomenon where people periodically hold their breath or alter their breathing when checking their emails. Tesla's Cybertruck design, which features sharp edges and a stainless steel finish, will require the manufacturer to achieve a level of accuracy in the single-digit micron range on all parts in order for it to look perfect. The straight edges of the design will amplify every imperfection. Elon Musk compared the approach to the requirements of products like Lego and soda cans. Tesla has been criticized for its fit and finishes in the past, but it is generally accepted that the quality of its products has improved over the years. The constant evolution of EV tech has made it challenging to create infrastructure that can support the wide range of technologies available. A group of researchers have created a novel battery charger that can support a vast range of present and future generations of EV battery packs. The charger is compatible with batteries between 120 and 900 volts with an efficiency consistently greater than 94%. It can be used as a portable unit. The researchers have filed a patent and are in the process of commercializing the technology.